Hello guys! Magluluto ako ng lunch namin today. Imamarinate ko muna yung chicken wings ng salt, pepper, garlic, and egg. Imamarinate ko siya for about 10 to 15 minutes. At habang minamarinate ko yan, nagpainit ako ng pan na may mantika, magpa-fry ako ng garlic, then maglalagay ako ng 2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey, pepper, and 1/4 cup of water. Then, i-add ko na rin yung bok choy. Pakukuluin ko lang yan for about 3 minutes. Isi-set aside ko muna yan kasi magpa-fry na ako ng chicken wings. Nag-prepare din ako ng another bowl kasi maglalagay ako ng half cup of cornstarch and 1 pack of crispy fry. Iko-coat ko lang yung mga chicken wings and then i-fry ko siya until mag-golden brown. And that's it! Meron ka ng super yummy na lunch. Thanks for watching!